Today we will discuss about the two important and famous fibers used in textile industry. One is the cotton is a natural fiber and the polyester is a synthetic fibers. These fibers used individually for the yarn production and sometimes these are used by blending for the yarn production. Here today we will discuss about its properties of both fibers and origin and its end use of each fiber. First, we will discuss about the fiber source. Cotton. Cotton is a natural fiber sourced from the cotton plant, while in the case of polyester is a synthetic fiber made from petroleum-based products. So this is the difference of the origin or the source of these fibers. Second, we will discuss about the properties of these fibers. First is the property is softness. Cotton is a soft, breathable, and skin friendly, while for the case of polyester, it is generally less soft but can be made smooth and soft with the treatment. Second is moisture absorption. Cotton has a high absorbency, wicks moisture well, while for the case of polyester, it has low absorbency, tends to repel the water. So the natural water moisture regain or moisture content of the cotton is 7.5 to 8%, while in the case of polyester it is about zero point 0.5, zero point 0.4. It is very less. Third property is breathability. For the case of cotton, very breathable due to its natural fibers, while in the case of polyesters, it's less breathable, traps heat and moisture. Next property is we will discuss about durability. Cotton is durable but weakens when wet or over the time. While in the case of polyester, it is highly durable, retains strength when wet, and resists wear. So, polyester has good durability and retain the strength when it is even wet. Fourth or fifth property is elasticity. Cotton has poor elasticity, wrinkles easily, while for the case of polyester, it has high elasticity, resists wrinkles and creasings. Next, sixth property is drying time. Cotton takes longer to dry due to high absorbency as it has a high moisture content and high moisture absorbency properties, while for the case of polyester dries quickly due to lower water retention. It has a very low moisture content, so its time to dry polyester fiber is very short. Seventh property is heat resistance. Cotton has a good resistance to high temperature, while for the case of polyester, it is sensitive to heat and can melt or deform under the high temperature or high heat. Biodegradability. Cotton is biodegradable, while for the case of polyester, it is non-biodegradable, takes centuries to decompose. The last is care. Cotton, for the case of cotton, can shrink and wrinkle, needs more care. While for the case of polyester, easy care, machine washable, less prone to shrinking. These were the physical properties of cotton and polyester. Further, we will discuss about the environmental impacts. In the case of cotton, it requires large amount of water and pesticides for forming, but it is biodegradable. While for the case of polyester, derived from non-renewable petroleum sources, non-biodegradable, but can be recycled. The last is you can say summary of how which are what we can conclude. Cotton is ideal for comfortable, breathable clothing, and the polyester is perfect for durable, low maintenance, and quick drying garments, often used in activewear or industrial applications. Most of time, these fibers are also used by blending with each other. Cotton polyester blends are common because they combine the softness and breathability of the cotton with the durability and quick drying properties of polyester. So I hope by this lecture your concept about the differences of cotton properties and polyester properties would be very clear. In the next lecture we will discuss another variables for the cotton and polyester. Thank you.